Have you ever wondered what it feels like to witness the end of an era through a monumental painting? Let's explore José Benlliure Gil's grand work, The Vision of the Colosseum, The Last Martyr, created in 1885. This oil-on-canvas masterpiece, measuring an impressive 580 by 745 centimeters, is housed in the Museum of Fine Arts in Valencia. It's the largest and most striking painting I've ever seen in person, and you truly have to visit the museum to experience its full impact. Born in Valencia in 1855, José Benlliure Gil settled in Rome in 1879 after a brief stay in Paris. It was in Rome that he created much of his significant work, including this colossal canvas. The painting won the first medal at the National Exhibition of 1887 and the Grand Gold Medal at the Munich International Exhibition of 1888, marking a high point in Benlliure's career. The Vision of the Colosseum depicts the last moments of Saint Telemachus, also known as Saint Telemachus, a 4th century Christian martyr. According to legend, Telemachus was a hermit who travelled to Rome and was horrified by the gladiatorial games held in the Colosseum. In an attempt to stop the brutality, he leapt into the arena, pleading for the gladiators to cease fighting. Telemachus was killed for his interference, but his death is said to have inspired Emperor Honorius to end the practice of gladiatorial combat. Benlliure's painting captures this dramatic scene in a ruined Colosseum, where the saint appears carrying a cross. Surrounding him is a ghostly procession of martyrs, virgins, nuns, monks and priests, creating a spectral vision filled with heightened drama. The painting's scale and detail draw viewers into this poignant moment, making them feel the weight of Telemachus's sacrifice. The composition of The Vision of the Colosseum is marked by its careful attention to detail and its powerful use of symbolism. The ghostly figures symbolize the enduring faith and courage of the early Christians. The ruined state of the Colosseum represents the fall of pagan Rome and the rise of Christianity. The use of light and shadow enhances the ethereal quality of the vision, with Telemachus's figure bathed in a divine glow, emphasizing his martyrdom and the spiritual triumph over earthly violence. José Benlliure Gil was influenced by the Italian painter Domenico Morelli, who encouraged him to move away from genre painting and embrace larger, more imaginative themes. This shift is evident in The Vision of the Colosseum, where Benlliure's artistic fantasy reaches its peak. The painting not only reflects his technical skill, but also his ability to convey deep emotional and spiritual themes through his art. Benlliure's life was marked by significant achievements and contributions to the art world. He was the director of the Spanish Academy of Fine Arts in Rome from 1903 to 1913 and later became the director of the Museu de Belles Arts de Valencia. His influence extended beyond his paintings, as he played a crucial role in promoting Spanish art both in Italy and back home in Spain. In conclusion, The Vision of the Colosseum, The Last Martyr, is a monumental painting that captures a pivotal moment in history with breathtaking detail and emotional depth. It stands as a testament to José Benlliure Gil's artistic legacy and his ability to bring historical and spiritual themes to life on a grand scale. Thank you for joining us. Please like and subscribe for more insightful art explorations.